What's up? Philly, I'ma hold it down for you. Jersey, I'ma hold it down for you. Grind partners, Coop Street, headhunters. Lady Luck, what's up? Grind harder, niggas, what up? I don't mean to interject, smoke you like a cigarette. I'm sicker than the sickest for the figures, we can make a bet. Chewing every sentence, I ain't even eating dinner yet. And Guru knew I only did it just to get it right. Spit it for the burbs, but refill me in the jets, cause I'm always killing verbs while you chillin' on the set. See, I expose you like a snitch with wires on your chest. I fight with the best, I invite you to death. This used to be my hobby, now I shine Illuminati. Time for me to catch your body, turn a rapper to a zombie. I'm a trapper making deals in the lobby, and you whacker than the average whack rapper, and you still wouldn't try me. I take that medicine and overdoses. My energy is overpowering your swag. Now your flow is hopeless. Just a bunch of choaches under hypnosis. And my life is HD, you better get focused. If you just love yourself, you would never be miserable. Criminal minds naturally hang on to every syllable. North Philly, South Philly, I've been all around Philly, getting papers from your neighbors. Philly, hold it down for me. Then I'm traveling, battling lesbos, or anybody challenging, hollering, let go. Cause my bar's cannibal like Hannibal, a wild animal. Transform mechanical, you still not flammable or flaming. Hoping I'm making this understandable. Your whole damn style is whack and unmanageable. I'm a true flame, and you a poop stain. If I ain't had a dollar, still shining like a new chain. Cause I make money, money don't make me. And I'm the president like Barack Hussein. And I would never, ever kiss a nigga for cash money. Haters wanted beef, but they riding with Crash Done. Yeah, she said she liked me cause I'm longer than the javelin. She thought it was a game, how she came in and straddled it. Girl, you know my aim is to handle it. After we campaign and pop champagne with the candidates. Got stamina and I'ma damage your amateurs. Walls like Pamela if she's dry like Canada. Bird brains giving me bird brains too. I admit, I ain't perfect, tell me what can I do? Dog, it's hot free, yo, if you in jail. All these American gangsters, everybody's Denzel. I'm more exclusive than the booth at the Bat Cave. Moving state to state and all I took is my hat, shades, my pen and my pad, I've been in my bag. And you mad, we got one mob into this shoot. Spread your wings like troop, homie, listen to Coop. Cause them other groups frontin' and they missing the truth. This is S-A-L-O-N, E-Crush. Grind partners, how the hell you think you gon' beat us? Eat dust, listen, I'm consistent, there's no resistance. The difference is that I can go the distance without assistance. Ridiculous, rebellious, period. Only for the serious, the weak fall a victim. This is not for the curious. Cat and mouse games, bandwagon Obama ass niggas. Broke but they rapping about change. Now battle with me, that's a suicidal thought. You rather crash into a tree and have to relearn how to walk. I'm a rock star, so raw, I'm giving niggas lockjaw. You a snitch, you would get a nigga knocked off, stuffed in a cop car. Let a rat tip me, I'm riding with or without a beam, a Benz or Bentley. You need a team against me, I'm a monster MC. That's why your girl's giving me Monica Lewinsky's on the same train you on. Watching for boys in blue on. To brothers, they be too drawn, I make my moves and move on. 100 miles per hour flow, pass you like an hour ago. If this is school of hard knocks, I just made the honor roll. So you would know when it's hammer time. When that thing flash, trust me, everybody's camera shy. My sword sharper than the samurai, and I'm always doing dirt, it's hard to keep my hands sanitized. But before I go, I always take my vitamins. Read my post on the web like Spider-Man. It says I'm blessed like Buddha, but way damn cooler with more finesse than Lord Finesse and Grand Pooba. Can't stand losers, came from the bottom, came up. Now everybody thinks I'm a problem, cause I'ma stretch them like condoms when I catch them. Make sure it's signed and sealed when I address them. Facebook gangster, I steal him while he texting. Take him to the suburb and white boy waste them. But Sanka can't help you when your body hungover. That's how you Rockefeller, you can ask Young Hover. Your flow is the past, nigga, past the Porsche. This is my house now, you just been foreclosure. You ain't know I punch lines harder. Pull-ups in the park every day, I love Barbara. Underground like Harriet, in jail like Martha. Do it to your daughter, Miss Booty Shorts in the Arthur. And any MCs with some dirty plans, consider this a big payback. I will pay you in advance, ain't no place like home, homie, so I'ma bring it home. Same kid who was trapping with a pocket full of chrome. All these idiots is drawn, here 1 minute then they gone. They delivery ain't strong, they whole energy is wrong. Pause. Long as I want strong on the industry, lyrically it's gonna take more than a rapper to get rid of me. Liberty Bell all the way to the Statue of Liberty. Sick, no remedy, best to hide your identity. If you an enemy, you gon' remember me. Hot like Satan, crushing the game, that's the name brand. I got what you've been chasing, you not what you've been chasing. Need to stop that road by putting out all of these duplications. This used to be my heart until the gang got split apart. Now all these lames in my way that think they ripping shit apart. On a hunt like a gold rush, Heavy hitting, get your bones crushed. And if they ask, tell them Salone Crush. Been sick, so I'm hot like a fever. Mr. Crushing the game on your block like reefer. See, I ain't eager, I do this on my leisure. But try to recite mines, you go into a seizure. Please pass me the Grey Poupon, baby. The party ain't over till the Grey Goose gone. To the tick-tock and you don't stop. Your fans ain't really fans if you drop and they don't cop. I'm a roadblock, matter of fact a wig shot. Trust me, you ain't bigger than Big Pac. I chop up your favorite MC like Jason for chasing skulls and bones just like a mason. Disgrace him. The UK think I'm the bomb, I'm a blast. When I ball, you gon' think of LeBron, you a crab. When you crawl, you be taking your time, I get fast. Money cars that I dare you to drive. Top 5 that are alive, ready to ride. Microphone fiend, one nation under God, cause I like a strong team. I spit bars on and on and on and on like a long dream or a nightmare, except that I'm right here on your station. Haters hating, but ask me do I care? I'm passing for light years. Go collab, get a ghostwriter. Cause my craft like a jab from a pro fighter. Ain't no ducking me. If it was up to me, you sucker MCs would already be in recovery. I'm in a league of my own, never leaking my songs. Call me Cheeks, cause I be geeking with Chong. And my eyes stay rizzy till I'm dizzy. And I will stretch you like Fizzy for messing with my brizzy. And new rhymes is coming in due time. I ride tracks like trains that run on the blue line. Out of my mind, asylum, go get your goon. You wanna see purple elephants, go get your shrooms. Ain't no telling how much alcohol gon' get consumed. And if for some chicks, then we all be screwed. Living in a city where everyone in the action, making money and stashing, spitting with a passion. GP making it happen, making it rapping. Underground, above ground, taking some action. You gon' put your hands up like you facing SWAT and nod your head a degree like you making a lot. I can't give you everything, so this is just a fraction. Haters, you can call this one fatal attraction. Philly, I'ma hold it down for you. Jersey, I'ma hold it down for you. Philly, I'ma hold it down. Philly, I'ma hold it down for you. Jersey, I'ma hold it down for you. Jersey, I'ma hold it down. Philly, I'ma hold it down for you. Philly, I'ma hold it down for you. Really? I'ma hold it fuck down. That's what you call fatal attraction. 2011 shit, grind partners, nigga, grind harder. You already know what it is. Coop Street.